shit, you sound like a Harley. Alright, the vlog is officially commencing. Nah, that was a baby one because I saw the paint on the ground, so I didn't want to fuck around too much. So I don't know if the vlog can hear you. I'm not sure. But if you guys can hear David, then that's what's up with him. We got a little birthday vlog going on. A little North Run happiness. Yeah, I did feel like they definitely feel a lot more money hungry now. I feel like they've always been like that, kinda. You know? Woo! It's beautiful out, dude. I love it. Here, I'll let you get over. So I'm on my R7 today. David, what year is your Gixxer? I've always wondered. I always forget. Yeah, so he's got a 2002. This bike's older than me by a year. 1000. It is old enough because I'm 03 baby. So I don't know. In Japan, they didn't give me an issue. But that's also Japan, so probably different. Damn. That dude looked like his soul was sucked out of his body. Looked like me at work. Bro, I was so bored at work yesterday, I was like, I gotta take tomorrow off. Yeah, I don't know what I'm into yet either. Yeah, what's that? What kind of bike is that? A Z? It looks like me and you. You on the fast bike, me on a moped. Oh, they got the stunt thing. What's up, what's up? What is that? Oh, it's a... Yeah, it's an MT-03. Holy shit. Okay. You know this thing shoots flames? This thing shoots flames at night. Yeah, it's sick. Like every time someone tells me about a tune and all that shit, I'm like, whatever, dude. And now I got a tune and shit. It's like, oh, okay. Kind of funny. Oh, it's from Japan. It's the people who took me drifting. It's called the Sideways Experience. I was gonna save it in my room, but I was like, you know what? I'd rather see some life. Why not? Life's short. Yeah. And then the guy that took me drifting signed it right there. GBD. Yeah. It was cool. Now we're behind the Smurf car. Ah, that's smart. I should have done that. Right. No, yeah, I got you. I can do this. We are? Oh. I can slow that down before I got to them. You know me. Come on now. We ain't no rookie now. Maybe I am. I am still a rookie. It wouldn't be a tacmanss video without a wheelie. You think I can make that corner? That's a good front right there. There we go. I'll put it down. That's all good. I had my fun. On your right. This corner is super sharp. We'll see what I got. Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. I'm not I'm no track rider. What's that? Haha, thank you. That's second gear. We turn right, right? Birthday vlog! Show them what it's all about. Yeah, this thing sounds like a cannon. Yeah, this is really cool. I definitely like the DMC mode. Yeah, with me and my cousin. And it did disconnect a few times. Okay. Right. I'm getting rid of this shit. Right. Corners, man. I love corners. There's like stunting and then there's corners. It's right behind stunting. I love it. Yeah, I don't practice much going fast, so I could probably be a lot better with it. You know? But like right now we're doing 44, it says. 40. This is real nice. Yeah, I could chill there all day. I probably could have slowed down for that car, honestly. That's it? Yeah, like I'm just like sitting on my idle right now. Dip back. Oh, really? Bikes are so cool. Is there anyone behind us? Like cops? Cool. Second gear is really chill though. See, I can slow it down if I need to. Brake. Well, a little bit both. I can't slow down that much to a dead stop. I'm gonna hop on here real quick.
Go for it, man. He's in it.
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Feels like you're sitting on a fucking couch. It's like a literal couch. It's so funny. My bike actually feels heavier than yours. Like just from a sit still. But I'm sure, obviously, yours is probably heavier, for sure. Oh, clutch in. Holy shit, your clutch is stiff as fuck. How do you ride like that? Wow. And it really hops into gear. This thing's so weird. It does, but then you turn it, you're like, damn, this thing's heavy. Yeah, I kind of like it. You don't. I just know, yeah, it's kind of nice for stunting. I'm taking this real easy. I just don't want to fucking, oh my gosh, someone's calling me, hold on. Wow. I'm in second gear, I know. How good are the front brakes? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take it easy. This thing's really nimble though, that's nice. Wow. Oh yeah, right? Way different. They're like opposite. Jeez. This thing is so fast. It feels really comfy, honestly. I'm really surprised like how nice this is. You know what I mean? It's like really chill. It like doesn't feel like it really wants to bite your face off too much. 6,000. I'm in second, I think. Yeah, completely falls asleep. I kind of like, yeah, I kind of like how yours is, like the 4 cylinders, because that's a 2-cylinder. So I kind of like how these are, but I also like my bike, so it's kind of, Yeah, you have a red light on. Is that normal? On the very... It's orange. Oh, okay. Oh, we are... Okay. Holy shit, you sound like a Harley. I never knew how much that thing sounds like a Harley next to you. That's crazy. I really like this bike, actually. I didn't think I'd like it that much. Do I? Yeah, right? It just falls into the corners. Yours wants to stand upright a lot more. True, that too. You can definitely feel it, how it's like always firing. Like you can literally just always get on this and it's like ready to go. And like you can feel how all 4 cylinders are going. Like it always wants to just like move. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Did you want to swap now or do you want to wait? Okay. Like, I've rode a ZX10, that one kid, Cody, I think his name is. And that thing just felt like it wanted to, like, rip your bones apart. And it felt like it wanted to rip your body apart. Yeah, whereas yours is like, it's very aggressive, but it's also very tame at the same time. Like, I really, damn, dude, I kind of like that bike a lot. Wow. My bike feels slow now. What the hell? It's all good, though. I knew what I was buying when I bought this. Okay. Yeah, it's like, for that, it's just so dialed, you know? It has the best of both worlds, I'd say. It's not good, well, it's a really good stunt bike, but it's not a really good sport bike, but it is at the same time. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, dude, this thing sounds like a Harley next to you, man. For like when you're on it, it feels more like a it has like a different tone, like its own tone, but on next to it, it sounds like a damn Harley. Yeah, it's nice. It's a really cool bike. It looks big, like from here, but on it don't feel that bad. Maybe I'm becoming a better rider.
I think the more bikes you ride, the better you get.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I apparently suck at making outros because every time I forget. But hopefully you like this video. Unfortunately, I didn't have David's commentary in here because I didn't know how to set up the cardo. So I'm still figuring that out. But it was cool riding his bike and, you know, doing some hoonigan shit on the way. Hope you guys like it. Peace.